Welcome everyone. Welcome to the XYO information channel. If you haven't created an account yet, if you want to help me out, there's a link down below. This will also get you started out with the 1000 XYO token rather than 0. That's where I start out. It kind of sucks. Now, I'm not really here to explain every little details. I'm not very good at it either, but you can go on the XYO official website and get better understanding. But if you have questions, leave down in the comments. I will answer the best I possibly can. Now, you can start mining the XYO coin right now. Just go ahead and download the app. It's called Coin app. Or click the link and it'll take you right there. Go ahead and create an account. What it is, it's a geo mining, so it uses your locations. However, it is not a GPS tracking device. Okay, it collects data on the area that you are at. I think it's called tiles or blocks. You see when you go on the app, when you're on the Google map, you're on a tile. So that's basically how it'll look on there, and that's how it mines data. So who can take advantage of this? Like truck drivers, Uber, Lyft, daily commutes are also fine as well. If you go ahead and open the app, you'll see what it means. So like the more active you are, the more you'll mine, especially if you put in a lot of miles, because you move to the next block again and again. So it's constantly mining rather than, I have 3 devices just idle at home. They're mine when I'm away. I think just leaving it there, it mines about every 5 seconds though. Sometime a little bit more, but it's definitely doable, and a lot of people are doing it. Especially if you have multiple devices, go ahead and get it going. Let's see. Just download, start mining, no complicated stuff. That's the best part for me. I'm like the average techie guy, so I don't know how to set up with Bitcoin if I were to do one. Also, it's your phone or any Android, iOS devices. You can take it with you. I carry my phone all the time. Sometimes I carry 2 phones. My extra phone, basically, that I start having it on. The extra accounts, I have it on hotspot from my main phone connected to it. I'll get into about that in the future videos for like tips and tricks. And yeah, when I'm at work, I just have it on in my pocket and it's just constantly mining. Let's see, what else would I say? Oh, you don't have to move around all the time. Like I said, you can just have the device at home, but we'll definitely mine more and get way more when you're on the move. Now, when you're getting started out, you'll see that it doesn't mine as much. So to earn more, you're normally, what you'll need is called a Sentinel. Okay, let me show you. So these are the Sentinel device. Okay, it connects via Bluetooth to your phones. So you will be needing Bluetooth to run. And the batteries on these are huge, actually. They're bigger than the quarter size, a little bit bigger than that. So it's crazy because the battery won't be a problem for a while, even a year maybe. Yeah. Okay, so this thing, it collects data and sends to your phones. Okay. And it enables 12 times rewards rather than just 1. Okay, let me get one of my phones here. Hold on. If you take a look, I'll probably make another videos going into more details about Sentinel. I do not know how to record my phones and my rear camera at the same time. So when I have this thing around, you will get this icon right here that the Sentinel is detected, and this enables 12 times rewards. Okay, because without the Sentinel, it's a 1-time reward, the regular rewards. So yeah, I have about nine of these laying around. Not laying around, putting it to good use. So let's see. Now without the Sentinel, you can still mine, but you know, you get that one. Now you can get these right now. I will leave the link down below for you. It is they say it's free, which it kind of is, because all you're paying for is shipping price, which is $12. And it's why it's a little bit pricey in the shipping itself, because it's expedited. It usually arrives within 3 days from my experience. I ordered about 3 times already. I was a little skeptical at first. And yeah, I thought I'll give it a go. It's only $12 and it is the actual device. So now, why would I tell you guys to get the free one, which only pay for the shipping? Because if you go on the official website, one of this is $49.99. Okay, so it's really not worth it to pay $50 for it when you can pay $12. So also, when you go on the website and buy, when you first pay for the shipping $12, they will take you to the next page. After you like it, you love it, you're committed to it, they offer you right away, after you buy the $12, which is just the one device, is 3 devices for I think $69.99. So it's cheaper in the way. So I bought one of that, and the rest are just one. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. So now also keep in mind that you only need one to get the 12 times reward. Even if you have 2 or 9, what I have, you still just get 12 times the rewards. It doesn't stack up or multiply. That would make XYO go bankrupt. So now I will be making more video on the other information later on, tips and tricks for sure, and probably record my screen, explain to you guys. This is for a newcomer, okay? If you like the content, join up, okay? If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as I can. And yeah, enjoy, guys.